What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building, guys. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna go over next week's game plan and throw out some tickers out there that'll make you some money on the way up as well as the way down. So, guys, before we jump into it, I just want to say I want to give thanks to the Lord above for allowing me to wake up this morning, guys. It is truly a blessing every day that we are able to wake up and just breathe. So, again, thank you, Lord, for allowing me to do that. Next, I want to send my heartfelt prayers to the South, some of these states that got hit with these massive, severe storms that spun off hundreds of tornadoes. So just know that we're praying for you, and I hope you made it out of this tornado and all these storms with minimum to no damage. I know Alabama got hit really hard. Georgia got hit really hard. So again, my heart goes out to you guys. My prayers go out to you guys, and I hope everybody made it out safe. So before we jump into it, guys, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. Let's go ahead and get into it. I got the earnings calendar up. You already know how we started off. We try to make that money on the pumps up. We got a few tickers on here that we follow that can make you some money. We got a couple on here that we're going to dive into. You got General Mills. They report Wednesday at opening. You got another one that we follow, PDD, Thursday at opening. And then the one that we've been on for months, Nike, they report Thursday at close. And then we got FedEx, they close Thursday at close. Small tickers, you got Neo Friday, that they report at open. So first thing we're going to do before we jump into the charts is see if we got anything that's going to affect the markets tomorrow. As you see at 8:30, we got US sales, and then we got 10 o'clock, we got business inventory. Those are two things that can shake up the market. But again, we sit back, we wait for a clear direction, and then we get at it. I'll put my announcements out on what I think a couple different tickers may do. And then after this drama drops at 10 o'clock, that's when we'll start getting busy. I'll pay attention. I'll look and see what the big tickers are doing, some of the ones that we follow, and then I'll start throwing out the levels. So let's go ahead and jump into the chart. First one up is going to be General Mills. They report Wednesday at opening. If you are interested in this one right here, they got a few different things for us to pay attention to. You see at closing, they start pulling down. They ended around 59.55. If you are a bull, you want to see them bounce off these bottoms right here. They start consolidating right here and making that bottom right there. You already know you're going to get that bounce to the upside. And if that do happen, you want to see them break through these tops right here at 59.90. They can break through that. Your next level up is going to be 60.10, and then boom, you got 60.30. If they can get them a nice little pre-earnings pump up, you got this 60.60 area, and then boom, 60.90. You got this little stuff up in here at 61.10, area of interest at 61.30, and they can start pushing this thing. What I want to see is the break at 61.50. They can do that. Boom, you got 62.10 on deck. To the downside, simple. You want to see the bears break through or open lower than those bottoms right there. 59.40. If they can do that, next level down, boom, 59.10. They break through that. You got 58.90 on deck. On to the lower stuff. We'll call out if we start seeing that take place. We'll already be on top of it. Next ticker up, newbies, beginners. I got PDD. This is another one. It's a little higher end than the General Mills call out, but this one can give some volatility, and you can make some money in this one right here. If you are a bull, again, you see what's going on here. We got these bottoms here. You want them to steer clear of these bottoms right here. If they are on a downhill press, you want to see them bounce it off of that, get back to this level at 122.80, and then next level up, boom, you got 123.10. Next level after that, you got 123.40. You want to see them break through there at 123.90, and then boom, you got 124.30. This one can start getting busy for pre-earnings. You got 125.20. What they can run this thing up before they start thinking about all of this stuff up in here. I got another level sitting all the way at 127.85, and they can go crazy, produce a good earnings, but we are not playing the earnings after play. We are trying to get get the run up before earnings or either the surge down. On the bottoms, if you want to see 122.30 get taken out, they can take out that. You already know we coming back to 121.90. They start losing there. Check this fall out. Boom, you got 120.20 on deck. So next ticker up, guys, we're going to throw Nike on here. With Nike, they're sitting at 71.60. If you are a bull, you want to see them open somewhere around 71.80. Next level up is going to be this stuff at 72.10. Break through that, you got 72.30 on deck. Then boom, you got 72.60. This area here, 72.90, and then they can run this thing all the way back up to 73 bucks and higher. To the downside, you want to see them break through these bottoms right here at 71.30 before they start trying to head to the lower stuff. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? We got a couple for you guys as well. First ticker up for you is going to be ticker symbol FedEx. They report Thursday at closing. Guys that was in that Nike, watching the Nike report Thursday at closing as well. Here you go in this one. They're sitting at 242.10. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than these tops at 242.90. They can do that right there. They can slowly start pushing this thing up. You got 243.30. Next level up, boom, you got 244.60. They break through these tops right here at 245.20. They coming up to this area at 246.20 before starting to go higher. On the downside, you want to see them get through these bottoms right here at 240.70. They break through that, they coming back down to these bottoms, 239.70, and they can go much lower if they start losing that level, 239.30. We know the Bears has been predominantly in control over the last couple weeks. We played a trend. If we had it down, we don't try to time the bottom and buy calls and end up getting smoked out of our play. We play what the charts are telling us. Nothing more, nothing less. So next ticker up, guys, we're going to throw Tesla on here. Tesla is currently sitting at 250 at the time of this video right here. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 251.60. If they can do that, they're going to run up here around 253.30. They got turbulence up to about 253.90, and then they can start getting busy if they break that. They break through that, you got 258.30 on deck. To the downside, what you want to see is them break through these bottoms right here, 247.55. They can do that. Your next area of interest is going to sit down here at 246.40, and then boom, got 245.30 on deck, and they lose that, you got 242.60. We'll call out in real time. Guys, I left SPY off the chart on the last video I did, and man, did I take a beat down for that. I seen you guys' messages. I will keep SPY on there. I know everybody plays SPY. I was trying to give people a different look than SPY because you already know SPY is probably smoking 90% of the people that's out here watching, because we always want to jump into SPY. And what does SPY do? As soon as we jump in, it gives us that Michael Jackson moonwalk and smoke us out of our plays. Man, there's so many other tickers that you can pay attention to other than SPY and still be able to make the same bag that you would make with SPY. So guys, just pay attention, keep your eyes open on other things when SPY ain't doing what it's supposed to do. So let's go ahead and jump into SPY. SPY is sitting at 562.80. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 564 even. If they can do that, they can start breaking out and start running it to the higher stuff. I went over SPY a little bit yesterday. I didn't break it down, but I got a target on SPY of 570. If they start holding tight at this 564 area, we got some choppiness in here, but I got 569.50 run on deck if they can hold that area right there. Of course, it's going to be turbulence. You got 564.90, boom, 566.60. They hold that, and there you go, 567.80. Next level up is going to be that heavy level at 569.60. To the downside, if you are a bear, what you want to see is this area right here, 561.40 open up at, and they start crashing through that. You got these bottoms right here at 560.10. Next level down is going to be this stuff at 558.60. So we'll handle in real time once they start smacking out that area. That's all I got for tickers for you guys. You already know this is the part of the video where we like to show some love. So here we go. This message came from DTR. Said, bro, I know it's been a while, a whole 9 months. After a ton of close calls and heartbreaks of blowing my accounts, I finally took a payout and got paid from my prop firm. I just want to say thank you for all the information you gave me on prop trading. I've grown so much as a trader in the past 9 months, and just wanted to say thank you for the introduction to futures and prop trading, because I originally was trading options. Thank you again, bro. Man, I am super duper proud of you. Champagne bottles in the air. Keep grinding, my guy. He's talking about making that switch from options trading to futures trading. Guys, for you ones that's trading options and you just really ain't got your plan down packed and you keep throwing your checkings account, your savings into options trading and you losing money in this, I highly suggest you jump into futures. That way you only spending $50 for a exam and you can help perfect your trading style with this. I mean, always you should start off paper trading, and that way you ain't using your own money at all. But for you ones that just want to get into that mix, that live trading field, man, I'm telling you, you get a prop firm, you got Apex out there, you got Top Step, you get one of those, you pay for the exam. I suggest the $50,000 account. It's like $50. I think with Apex is 33. And then you get the hang of what's going on. You keep your stop loss in check. You identify setups that you like and you build your style after that, making money on there. And that way, if you are wrong and the play go against you, for the ones that just don't want to put a stop loss on, because we know so many people don't add that loss, you only losing $50 versus losing $500, your $1,000, however much money you put into options trading, and it's going the other way. And then once you pass their exam, you make $3,000. You get a PA account, a performance account, or with Top Step, you get an express account. And then you start making money on there. I would highly recommend you guys jumping into Top Step, because it is, to me, in my opinion, user friendly for newbies and beginners, and their risk management, they got one in check for you. You only can use 5 contracts versus Apex will let you use the whole thing, or either I think it's 10 with the 50,000 account. And once you lose $1,000 for the day, they kick you out of that play. Apex, you'll stay into that play till you smoke your account. So if you just having a bad day and you don't have your risk management set, Top Step gonna kick you out of that play. Start fresh the next day. But if you got your stop loss in place, it'll kick you out. But mainly you want to be identifying proper setups, making money along the way, cashing out, and getting into another play that you see that meets your trading plan. Once you get to the express account, they only give you 2 contracts to start out with. And that way that protects you from really killing your account. You can make money along the way. And then Top Step's payouts. Everybody want to know what the payouts is. A winning day equals $200 in profit. Eligible for payouts after 5 winning days. Pay yourself 50% of your balance. If you make $1,000, you can pay yourself $500 after you make 5 days of $200. They don't have to be consecutive. Long as you have 5 winning days making $200 in your account, you are eligible for payout. You can't beat this. And again, you risking $50 versus blowing your whole account. So this is just something else, guys, to think about. Shout out to you for putting that comment out. I'm really proud of you from being able to get you a funded account. Now it's time to start dominating in those accounts. So champagne bottles in the air for you again, man. I'm super duper proud of you. Keep grinding, my guy. Everybody else, you already know we're going to kill it in the Discord tomorrow. Whether the plays are going up or down, we'll be calling those shots. Teaching and training, make sure you paying attention to those candlestick formations. That way you are able to take advantage of when you see in that form and then you see the double top, you able to ride that thing back down to make some quick money on there. For everybody else that's watching, if you're not in the Discord, would love to have you. That way you got access to my full list of morning call outs, as well as the technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. All right, guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.